Here's how to check what you're making daily from YouTube ad revenue. So first thing in the top right, when you're just signed into YouTube on the YouTube homepage, you need to navigate to YouTube Studio. So get there, then from inside of your YouTube Studio, go ahead and click on Analytics in the left column. And now from here, you got a couple different ways you can go. You can come up here into this top section and click on Revenue, or you can come right here into this section and click on this revenue tab. Doesn't really matter, they're both going to take you to a similar place. This one will just right here in this same box bring up this graph for you, and so I've got it currently set to last 28 days, but we could go last 7 days, make it a little easier to see. If I clicked on revenue up here, it'll bring me in here to this section where I can see the same thing, but it's also offering a lot more detail. So back here in this section, just on the main channel analytics page, if you click into revenue, right here, if you just hover over these lines over each date, it'll tell you how much you made. So today right now is the 23rd, and so you'll see I can see the 21st, which I made $73 on, but if I hover over here to try and get what I made yesterday, it says that the data is still processing. And I've found that it usually takes till about 7, 8, 9 at night until the previous day is populated, the previous day's data is populated in here. So usually at about 7, 8, 9 o'clock at night, I can come in here and then I can check and see what I made from YouTube ad revenue the previous day. And then if I want to get some more information, like what was my RPM and which videos made me the most money that day, that's when I come up here and click into the revenue section, and then I can just click on RPM here, and I can see that my RPM for not yesterday but the day before was $22. Again, if I check this later tonight, I'll be able to see August 22nd, yesterday's RPM. And then if you scroll down here, it'll tell you your top earning videos, monthly estimated ad revenue. Top earning videos, this is gonna be just for the last 7 days. It's not gonna give you daily. If you wanna see daily on a specific video, like for individual videos, how much they made each day, how much did this video make yesterday? So let's take this IG ads video for example. So I'll click into that one. And then same thing as if you were on the main channel analytics page, just inside of your video analytics, if you click on the estimated revenue, and then, okay, well, it's set to lifetime. So I'm gonna switch this to last 7 days. That'll help us see it a little better. And now you can see that, so yesterday, or on the 21st, I made $12 from this video. If I come back later tonight, I'll be able to see what I made on it yesterday. And then if I click into the revenue section here, same thing as in the channel analytics page. If I click into RPM, I can see that my RPM 2 days ago was $46. That's how much I'm earning for every 1,000 views on this video. And so that's how that works. That's how you can check out how much you made yesterday for your channel as a whole, and how much you made yesterday or any previous days on any specific individual video that you want to look at.